39 years old, going on 40. Worked out in the gym like crazy because I had been an athlete most of my life, and I developed low back pain. And I had low back pain so bad that I would crawl out of my car on my hands and then pull myself up by the door handles to stand up straight. Regular
Mm.
having stress from time to time is not a bad thing. And so like in the primal days, if you had the saber-toothed tiger chasing you once in a while, it's not necessarily a bad thing. It kept you awake. Okay. But if that tiger's chasing you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, at some point you're going to have a heart attack and die. Car you can trade in, obviously the body you can't trade in. And it's like, so if you are not at an older age, you're in your 30s and 40s, now is the time to really start learning about how to maintain this body at optimal level so that when you get into your 60s, 70s, and 80s, it's really understanding that with your mind, by relaxing the mind as you put yourself in some of these stretch positions, because you only hold it for 5 seconds at a time, and you're repeating the stretch 10 times just to show the brain that you didn't die from it. You were okay. You didn't tear anything. Okay.
Mm.
Once you get that piece down, now what happens is that it becomes more meditative. And so therefore you look forward to doing it every day because it's like little brain breaks.